Hey guys, today we're in Arbor Hill subdivision in Riverchase in a resale house, 4-bedroom and 3-bath. And it's going to open up into this foyer area here and show you the rest of the house. This is the great room here. Let me pan over here and turn back and show you the great room space with the towering 2-story great room here. Fantastic. Gas fireplace, gas starter logs, and this one's got a formal dining room, lots of decorative trim and crown molding in this one. The seller has installed all new LVP flooring throughout the space to the front door. It's a great open, great room, dining room space. Even the staircase here has a 2-story appeal to it all the way up with a half bath in the front and a door to the 2-car garage here on the main level. Gonna walk back into the kitchen. And wow, big kitchen back here in the back of the house. The kitchen has a keeping room aspect to it. As you can see as I pan this way, full keeping room space, gas fireplace on the back. This kitchen island's granite. You've got a oven over on the wall that's built-in microwave, stainless steel appliances with the refrigerator and the dishwasher. Lots of cabinets built in, big pantry on the side, breakfast table space here. Then I'll pan this way and show you the large keeping room space, fireplace. And that fireplace is also gas log. Over here in the back is an office nook. Wow, this is really cool. Pan from the floor up. Built-in cabinets and a desk. The laundry space in the back also has built-in cabinetry above. Master bedroom also has the LVP flooring. It's really nice. It's got a decorative tray ceiling above. And the master bath has tile flooring. And I'll pan over here. It's got an inserted jetted tub with the stainless glass above. Water closet. Nice vanity space here. Really nice tiled shower. Another view of another vanity on this side. And you've got his and her closets on either side of the master bathroom. This is a really large space. I'm going to go over and show you the backyard. This is a great covered patio across the back of this house. It's a low maintenance backyard. It is fenced. The patio is screened. You can see how big this space is back here. And you can see the yard with the gate there. It does back up to the neighbors, but the yard is flat and it's fenced. And you've got this awesome covered patio space across the back. You put some screens here to give you some good privacy. We're upstairs in the home and we've got a media room here at the top of the steps, and it's really good for office space. And I'll show you, pan to the back left here, another bedroom upstairs, walk-in closet with its own bathroom inside. Nice tile surround. good cabinetry. There's 3 bedrooms up here, a full bath, and then a Jack and Jill bath that connects 2 of the bedrooms together. This is the bedroom here. You got a closet there. And we're in that Jack and Jill bath area that connects together. Closet space there. Another bedroom here. They had a little office corner there in the bedroom, but this is a bedroom. And then I'll pan out and show you another view of the 2-story great room. Got the iron spindles going down for the staircase. And you're in the top of the 2-story great room. You can pan down and you can see the large great room space above with the front door. And that dining room down below. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's about 3,000 square feet. And it just hit the market in Arbor Hill. And if you have any interest in the home, it's in the low 5s. So give me a call. Number and contact information is below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for joining me for the tour. For my next home tour, click on the video link right here. And I'll see you there.